Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a large Kroger order for you, or Kroger haul, sorry, that I got from Kroger pickup. I feel like I got a lot of things, but we were out of a lot of things. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. I got 4 of these cans of the Pedigree Choice Cuts and Gravy. I feel like my Kroger has been out of pretty much any other options of canned dog food recently, so that's what that is. Just got what they had. I really like this. I just tried these last time, I think, or a couple weeks ago. These stuffed jalapeno peppers with cream cheese. These are Kroger brand, and I really like them, so I went ahead and bought some more. I got 1 10-pack of Buttermilk waffles, Kroger brand. 2 of these Minute Maid fruit punches. I got Fairlife chocolate reduced fat, lactose-free milk, and I'm thinking I may have forgotten to get white milk now that I'm thinking of it. I got a couple of the Kroger brand 100% juice apple juices. I got a couple cans of these diced chili ready tomatoes and tomato juice. These are 14.5 ounce cans, Kroger brand. I got some garlic powder. I got 2 packages of baking soda. Baking soda is so useful. I got these pork chops. This is about 1.5 pounds. Then I got these Heritage Farm boneless, skinless chicken breast, frozen. I'm not sure that I've had these before. So I got these Halo Top chocolate cheesecake keto pops, 3 grams of protein, 2 net carbs per pop. They're out of the other pops I like to get, but those work too. I got some Kroger Texas Toast garlic toast, some Private Selection baby Swiss cheese slices. It's 10 slices. I got how big is this? 32-ounce pack of mild cheddar shredded cheese. I think this is like $7.99. I feel like it's cheaper when you buy the bigger bags. I got 2 packs of McCormick chili seasoning. Got 1 container of sour cream. This is 1 pound or 16 ounces. I got a squash. Got some green onion. This is a zucchini. I got the Private Selection center cut bacon. This is 12 ounces. I got this Kroger brand stir fry kit. It is ginger garlic with sauce included. It's like broccoli, sugar snap peas, carrots, a bunch of different things. It looks good. I figured I would use that with some of my chicken. Simple Truth Organic Baby Spring Mix. I got 3 of these packs of the Kroger brand salted roasted peanuts. These are my favorite kind of peanuts. I love the peanuts on the shells. I got the Oscar Mayer hot dogs. These are the ones with turkey, chicken, pork. They were on sale for $2, so I got 2 packs. Lemon juice. Kroger non-stick extra virgin olive oil spray. Olive oil spray, sorry. I got 2 of these Diet Coke 6-packs. I got 2 gallons of the Kroger unsweetened tea. Let's see, I'm losing my spot. Okay. A 3-pound bag of Kroger Gala apples. This is my other fruit punch. I got these Idahoan buttery home style mashed potatoes, a 4-ounce pack. I got this Kroger 90-second jasmine rice, microwavable. You can try that. Just got a box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Oh, you know what? Here's my other my white milk that I thought I forgot. The Fairlife lactose-free milk. A big bag of Stevia. This is a 9.7 ounce bag. This is helpful if you are on keto or low carb diets. So use Stevia instead of regular sugar. Got a box of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I got these zebra cakes, which my kids have already gotten into. Little Debbie, how many come in here? 10 packs. So there's a Sunbeam Giant White Bread. Mexican style blend shredded cheese, which is Monterey Jack, mild cheddar, queso, quesadilla, and asadero cheeses. In the way of my cord over here. All right, so I got the Kroger brand, where is it? Extra virgin olive oil. Got these, oh, these are packs, I didn't see that. So these are Petite Carrots, and they're actually in little packs, which would be cool for school maybe, if you'll actually eat them at school. Granola bars, the chewy chocolate chip. This is an 18 pack. These are great for school lunches. I got the Lolly's Organic Throat Soothing Pops for kids. There's watermelon, strawberry, and orange mango. These are kind of like cough drops that kids can use, but they're suckers, so they're safe for little kids. It says for ages 3 and up, and they are flat. I get these all the time. This has 15 pops in here. Orange juice. This is a half gallon. Got 10 pack of Caprisun's fruit punch. Got this Kroger brand complete buttermilk, pancake, and waffle mix. This is 32 ounces or 2 pounds. Got the Cascade Complete Powers Away 24 hours stuck on food. This is dishwasher detergent. Got the Pop Secret Home Style Butter. This is a 6-pack of popcorn bags. Got the Kroger Dry Roasted Sunflower Seeds, or kernels, Hidden Valley Ranch. The L'Oreal, Elvive Dream Lengths Restoring Shampoo, and the conditioner. And I got this little Pillsbury Biscuits. This is a 5-pack of biscuits. It looks so tiny. 1% chocolate milk and 2% white milk. I got 3 of these 3-minute microwave cheese pizzas. I think they were $1.33 a piece. I got 2 of these gallons. I think these are half gallons, 64 ounces. This is 2 quarts of distilled white vinegar. I got these La Banderita Carb Counter Carb Lean Tortillas. They are keto friendly. This is an 8-pack. I got 2 18 packs of eggs. I got 2 of these 24 packs of the Kroger brand American Singles. Got bologna. Here is a cucumber. Got some of the Kroger whipped original cream cheese spread. Let's see. I've got 2 of the Colby Jack cheeses, a cheese block. This is an 8-ounce block. 2 of those. I got some Kroger brand whole white mushrooms. You can see it very well, but I got 1 Roma tomato, a pound of strawberries. This is a Kroger brand 100-pack of dryer sheets, fresh linen scent. A Kroger pack of napkins. This is 500 napkins. I think they're just plain, just plain white napkins. Got some red grapes. This is collard greens. And I got a bunch of bananas. Okay, I think that's everything I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out all my links below, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Take care.